Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3a Lite, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Here we have to tap on Languages and tap on System Languages at the top. So right here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got English and Spanish right now. So let's start with adding new one. Just tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on it. And I will pick maybe this one. So just tap on the language. If you can choose the region, then simply do it. Just tap on it, and it will be immediately applied to this list. However, as you can see, the English is still a system language, a main one. So all we have to do is to tap on the language we would like to use, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position and release the finger. And now your device will ask you if you wish to change the system language. So just tap on Change to confirm. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on Change, and we've got English set. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Hello? Remove. Now you can mark the languages which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.